Good day, ma'am. This is my final project for Java code implement. This code is simple restaurant ordering system with breakdown and how it works. So first, menu and price. The menu is humba with rice, balbacoa with rice, manok sabaw with rice, and soft drinks. And the prices is 250.50, 235.25, 350.85, and 25.60. The program display a menu with option to order food, view total cost and play bell or exit. The order food method allows user that select a menu. So the order food method allows user to select items from the menu and add them to their order. So the view total is the view total method display the current total cost of order, and the pay bill, it is method calculate the change and display a message based on the payment. So let's go to run it. Shit. I'm so sorry. It's number. Okay. So if you can order food, you can select number 1 and you can kahuman mo pop up ang foods kung unsay ganahan mo i-order. And if you can select barbacoa with rice, you can select item number 2. Then so the program runs in loop until the user choose to exit if you select number 4. The program runs in a loop until the choose to exit. So based on user choice, the program calls the corresponding method, order food, view total, and the play bill. So if you can order method, use can select item from the menu and add them to their order. They can continue ordering until they choose to stop. So the view total method simplify display the current total cost of the order. And the play bill method, users enter a payment amount and the program calculate the change and displays a message. So next is, so we can go to the output. So if you can order the food, you can select number 1, item number 1. So next, if you order the food, you can select what is your order. You can select number, like for example number 2, and magawa siya nga add more items gipanguta nga ipangutana ka or order or done. So let's try to order again. So she can return. Next is can select order food and can choose soft drinks item number 4. So if you have done, you can type done and you can back again to one. If you see your total bill, can select number 2, the view total, and moingon siya nga current total is 260.85. So if you can pay it, you can select number 3. So select number 3. So total to pay is 260. So you can enter your payment. If your payment is gamay ra, ang mo pop up mayon siya nga insufficient amount, payment not complete. So mo na siya mo run. So let's do it again. So select number 1, then number 3. So another order. So choose an option number 2. So 350 all, and you can pay it. Select number 3 and he show the total amount, and you can enter your amount 500 pesos. So if you exact amount, you can payment accept and change into 1. You and your sukli, and you can your and that's all, ma'am. My met my Java method arrays Java method arrays and exception handling, and the last is method. So thank you, ma'am, and good day again.